All right, everybody, we are in Ensenada, walking, and there it is, Caliente Casino. And what hotel is this called? San Nicolas. San Nicolas. There's right across the street. I'm gonna put this away in my pocket. Here we go. San Nicolas Caliente Casino. Casino Caliente. Hi, how are you? You my backpack? No backpacks in there? No backpack. Can we check it in anywhere? No?
Okay.
Wow.
Right, there are the rules. The rules for the establishment
Okay.
and rules.
Alright. Cool.
Alright, next one.
No bags allowed. So if you're a tourist,
Yeah.
you're not allowed. I'm not gonna if it's the rules for the Caliente Casino, I don't wanna go to the other one. It's the same thing.
Take a picture of that and translate it later. Maybe it's no backpack. Yeah, maybe it says no backpack.
Yeah. Alright, well, we're not going to any casinos.
Oh, that's bad. Alright.
Can you use El Baño? Can you use El Baño? Yes. Okay.
From the back.
Gracias. Wow, this place is big. What is this? This is the smoking section. A lot of different games here. There's a couple entrances. Excuse me. Oh, we got the gold. Let's finish this walkthrough. So I guess we can't play in here because we have backpacks. So they're waiting outside while I'm doing a casino walking tour for everybody. Caliente Casino at Ensenada, right by downtown. This is the smoking section. Okay. Well, we were gonna go to another casino also Caliente, which is further down the strip, but since we're not allowed to bring backpacks in, I don't think we're gonna take that tour. So we're just gonna probably stay in town. And let's just take a look, walk around so you can see what games they have here. They have a lot of similar games. Do they have any table games over here? Let's see. Oh, they do have table games. No table games that we like. Well, just take a walk here to see. I got blackjack. Ultimate Texas Hold'em. They got roulette over here. There's your sports betting. Morning. They got bingo here too. Okay. Bell Link. Ooh, Ultimate Fire Links, Santa Fe Pandas. Lightning Links. And there's your Dragon Links, Buffalo Gold. The usual. No craps table though. I'm not sure what time their table's open, but looks like the slots are open. So that's your casino. Too bad we can't play in here. All good. Yeah. Time to go. Thank you. She went to gamble?
Did you want to go and try any spots?
No.
Was there anything good?
You want to take a look?
I want to
Go take a look. All the way out here. That's the walking tour, everybody. We're taking turns going inside to gamble. Oh, that's funny. Let me record at the outside of this place. It's one side here. Caliente Casino. As you can see, Caliente Casino. So what happened?
I didn't get to play.
Why not?
Because when you come to this place, and maybe it's in other casinos as well here in this place, you have to get a card first. And their system is not working.
A Caliente Casino card?
Yeah, we gotta get a card, and then they load money into the card.
Yes, I remember
So,
that. Okay.
It takes a while for the lady to, I mean, she got the person in front of me, it was working, and then when it was my turn, it's no longer working.
Well,
And I just got tired standing there.
good luck.
So I'm like, okay.
All right.
Yeah.